What's up, guys? Steve here for Cut Breaking L. We're doing our Raz from McDavid and Matthews, 9.5 graded Young Guns. Top names taking home McDavid. Second name is taking home Austin Matthews. So good luck. Sorry about the delay there. Running it. We're live. Good luck. Here is our 449. 449.26. Let me copy just to make sure. Reload the page. All right, 4 randoms, folks. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. So we're looking for top 2. Top 2. Third timestamp here says 5:30. Let me refresh the clock. 5:30 it is. And last and final random will do it. Good luck. Top 2. We have Ian taking home McDavid, spot 5, and Josh, hope I'm saying that right, taking home McDavid in spot 9. So there you go. Congrats, guys. Top 2, Ian and Thomas. Ian and Josh. Let me get your last and final timestamp, guys. And last and final timestamp says 5:31 and 5:31. So congratulations again, spot 5 and spot 7. You guys are the winners of the McDavid Young Guns. We'll get in contact with you about shipping. Thanks again.